You're not alone. Give me 30 seconds and I'll make sure you never mess up domain and range questions again. Let's go. So, domain is what can go into the function, and range is what can come out of our function, our magical box. And sometimes some things are impossible to go into the function, and some things are impossible to come out of the function. For example, let's look at domain. We have 1 over x. The domain cannot be 0. Why? Because we cannot have 1 over 0. So domain is everything but 0. What about the root of x? For root of x cannot be minus. So x has to be bigger than equal to 0. In other words, not a minus value. What about ln of x or logarithm of x? Well, they have to be positive values because logarithm and ln only take positive values. Now let's look at a trigonometric one, tangent of x. This is equals to sine of x over cosine of x. So similar to one we had before, it cannot be 1 over 0. So any point that cosine of x is equals to 0 does not work. That means x cannot be pi over 2 and any of that times pi. Now going into the range. What is the range of x squared? Well, it's only positive values or 0. So y is bigger than or equal to 0 because a square cannot be negative. What about 1 over 1 plus x squared? Well, this has to be a positive value. The least it can be 0. So we're going to have y that is smaller than or equal to 1 over 1. What about e to the power of x? Whenever we have a positive value to the power of something, whatever that is, at best case scenario, it's going to be 0. But not 0 itself. It cannot be 0. So y is going to be bigger than 0. What about a trigonometric function, such as a sine or a cosine? Well, their range, what the value comes out of it, is going to be between minus 1 and 1. So you can either put y is between minus 1 and 1, or y is smaller or equal to 1, bigger or equal to minus 1. That's all. There are countless other examples and combinations of these that will make domain and range restricted. If you want the full sheet with some examples and some practice questions for you, comment domain down below and I will send it to you for free. Good luck!